Good morning. Scientists excited by melon-sized Antarctic meteorite. Scientists on Antarctic expeditions usually return home with cold fingers and toes, but a group that completed its research in January 2023 came back with one of the largest meteorites ever found on the continent. They found 5 meteorites during their trip, with the biggest one weighing about 7.6 kilograms. Not too many meteorites in Antarctica have been bigger than that, although it's only about the size of a melon, but quite a heavy one. Antarctica is a good place to find meteorites, not because more fall on the continent, but because it's easier to see the dark rocks on the bright blue-white ice. The melon-sized meteorite was found by an international team of scientists from Europe and America. They had actually been at the end of their month-long expedition and about to stop their research when one of the team members saw the meteorite. We got so excited, Maria Valdez, one of the scientists, told NPR. It can be difficult to tell the difference between meteorites and earth rocks, but it didn't take the experts long to decide that it was a meteorite. Experts can often know just by looking at a rock, but space rocks are also usually much heavier because they contain lots of metal. The scientists call earth rocks that looks like that. The scientists call earth rocks that look like meteorites meteorons, according to Valdez. Tricky. Scientists will now study the 5 meteorites. Many meteorites are around 4.5 billion years old, so studying them allows us to find out many things about the early days of our solar system. So cool. Questions. How many meteorites did the scientists find during their trip to Antarctica? Why is Antarctica a good place to find meteorites? How do experts usually know that what they have found is a space rock? Discussion. What are your thoughts on this discovery? If a meteorite landed in your backyard, what would you do with it? Call NASA! If you had a chance to spend a month in Antarctica, would you take it? Yes, I would. It would be so cool. Did you learn much about space and astronomy when you were in school? No, they don't teach so much. Have you ever had a chance to look at the night sky through a telescope? Yeah, that's my favorite thing to do. Further discussion. Did you enjoy studying science when you were in school? Do you know anyone who works as or is studying to become a scientist? Which of your friends or family would you say has the most exciting job? What remote parts of the world would you most like to explore? Exploration is really the essence of the human spirit. Frank Borman. What do you make of this statement? Yes, explore more.